Hello friends, artist resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Once again, the glow in dark fever continues because I could not get my desired results. They were liked by others, excluding me. So I have taken 4-inch and 5-inch poster molds, 90 grams of resin and hardener, of which 60 grams is resin and 30 grams is hardener. First, I will mix the colors for making blooms mix. I have taken this neon glow-in-dark pigment from Harry and Wilma, which Beatrice Didi had sent me, and this holographic nail pen for making blooms. I already have tried this neon pigment blooms attempt earlier, but that one was a complete fail, so I simply deleted the footage and avoided the headache of editing and doing voiceover and all. This pigment is a glow-in-dark neon pigment from Harry and Wilma. I did play with them for a while, but then our festivals began and we got orders in my hubby's business which did not allow me to craft for a month. So this is a month before video, but I could post it now only because I could not edit it earlier. I'm going to use this holographic nail paint also for making blooms. This one is experimental, so let's see if it works out. For the nail paint one, I will be mixing it drop by drop to see if it gets enough colors. Fingers crossed for this one. And this time I will be combining the neon glow-in-dark pigment with opaque white too, as I could not achieve the desired results in last two attempts. So let's just watch this crazy experiment once again. I will first pour the clear resin in both the molds. Then I will start making petals one by one. I will be drawing different petal styles in both the coasters. Now it's done. I will allow it to cure for 24 hours. Then I will add the background. It's the next day. Looks like the neon pigment one bloomed very well. But the nail paint one did not bloom at all. I will give it another try later on. First, let's demold it and see how it looks. The colors are visible, but it did not bloom at all, and that's sad. I will not demold the neon pigment one and add an opaque black background. So let's go ahead and add black background to it. It's the next day. I will demold it now and see if the blooms have worked or not. Wow, I love the results. These look amazing. And now the most exciting part. Let's charge it with UV nail lamp. I earlier tried charging it with mobile torch light, but it did not shine much. And look at this. How beautiful and shiny. Yeah, I finally succeeded. So, if you like these results, please hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel and artworks. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.